A little luxury for today. Jacquemus. 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 Hello, it's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out. Back here today with another unboxing. I love when Nike collaborates with a luxury designer. And today we got something extra special. Today we are unboxing the Nike Jacquemus Humara. A little background about this collaboration. Jacquemus actually revealed this sneaker at its Le Papier runway show. There were rumors that this collaboration would happen in February 2020. So it's been a minute since we've heard talks about this collaboration ever happening. Jacquemus revealed this sneaker at its Le Papier runway show. This sneaker launched first on the Jacquemus website on June 28th earlier this year, followed by Nike sneakers and select Nike retailers, launching this sneaker on September 10th. The sneaker quickly sold out and currently holds like a resale value anywhere between, I would say, $100 to an extra $200 above its retail price. The sneaker retailed for $170 US. Let's get into the box. You have a classic brown box. You have the Jacquemus logo on two sides of the box, followed by, of course, a Nike sign on the sides. The lid has a Nike symbol on the very top. And then taking a look at the sticker label, the sneaker launched in two different colorways. I picked up the light bone one. It also released in this nice chocolate brown color. I went with my woman's size 7, and overall I would say definitely stick with your true to size. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. Right when you open the box, you're hit with a white tissue paper with the collaboration logos of both Nike and Jacquemus on top. Woo. Those tones. And here we have the Nike Jacquemus Humara. Absolutely love this sneaker. When I initially saw it, I knew I was gonna have it. I love this sneaker. I think the tones and the colorway is just like a perfect fall sneaker fit. The origins of the sneaker actually derive from a vintage ACG trail shoe aesthetic. The sneaker did release in a full size run, so both men and women were able to cop in their sizes. Overall, the sneaker includes original design elements from the 1997 Humara. The Nike Jacquemus collection was overall a reinterpretation of women's athletic wear sportswear in a minimal way. And I feel like that aesthetic is what this sneaker embodies. Jacquemus founder Simon Port's favorite sneaker was the Nike Humara, which makes sense as to why Simon wanted to put his own spin on his favorite sneaker. The overall sneaker was inspired by vintage ACG pieces as well as Nike 90s campaigns. The founder most notably stated that it was important for the collection to be both accessible for all body types as well as a natural blend of the Jacquemus style and Nike performance. The sneaker also released with a range of fashion apparel and accessories. I'll be showing off a few pieces in a future video, so stay tuned for that. In addition, about 2 weeks ago, we also heard of a hot pink colorway coming soon this year. Let's take a deeper look into the sneaker. This sneaker comes with premium luxury materials. You have a smooth premium leather on the toe box. Loving this cream colorway. I think it goes seamlessly with the leather that is seen on the side panels. I think this kind of stone, darker gray color goes really well with that kind of creamy, nudie tones that are featured on the toe box. One of my favorite features about this shoe is, of course, the Nike gold logo. It's featured on both the lateral and medial sides of the sneaker on a nice kind of like gray, smooth leather. On top of the gray leather panel, there is a hairy suede panel featured in this kind of creamy color. And then overlaid on top of that, you have these kind of like rope-like elements. They're also featured on the eyelets of the sneaker. I just love the design and aesthetic of this. I mean, the little simplicity of the lines running through each eyelet gave just such like a nice balance. Who would have thought to overlay the sneaker with that and would have made such like a nice little minimalist cohesive touch. The tongue features the gray smooth leather that is featured on also the side panels. You have a mesh insole as well as a mesh liner. I really like that the back has a little bit of plush kind of feeling. The sneaker comes with flat laces. I also thought about how maybe some rope laces might look with this, but I think the simplicity and the beauty of the shoe coming all together with the flat laces, why would you ever want to change that? Also love the little pull tag featured on the tongue. Surprisingly, the shoelaces also come with exaggerated lace tips. They feature a Nike logo. Unfortunately, mine came with some of the Nike paint coming off. Be sure to document that so you guys can take a closer look at some of the little quality assurance things that I have questions about. You have the classic Nike Humara sole in white. And one thing that of course is truly special about this collaboration is the fact that Nike, with its gum outsole, did a special custom one with the Jacquemus logo. The right sneaker features the Nike logo and the left sneaker features the Jacquemus logo. I took a little detailed view to show you the tread and the depth of how deep that goes on the outsole. You truly see that this is a trail hiking shoe because of how great the traction is. Who would have thought? Hiking and designer. As always, I'll leave some on-foot footage. What is your favorite luxury collaboration sneaker with Nike? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.